I don't want to bore you guys too much. We'll get to that here after a little while. This is right. Let's see what we got. We'll stand up. Hey, look at that. Look at that creek bed down up in there. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, this is nice. That is real fine gravel down up in there, folks. It's definitely something that I want to come back to when I got some time. I don't really have much time today. I just wanted to come see it for the first time, let you guys see it with me, and then just experience it together. Wow, it's pretty. It's really pretty down in here. Really loose. Yeah. The house, I want to say that that's abandoned. I'm sure that's abandoned. Here it is. This is the creek. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is really cool. Go down that way just a little bit more. Ooh, it's slick. I like it. Yeah. Yeah, this is slick. Doesn't do it justice on the camera. This is really cool out here. Standing up for y'all. It always makes for a better ride when you're standing up. There's a lot of potholes. Wow, this is so cool down in here. I wonder if there's fishing. I mean, you can get lost up in here. But my Garmin's showing everything. Wow, guys. This is amazing. This is definitely where I want to come ride. Look at that. Oh, I went down there. It is loose. There's a trail. I want to take that trail. Alright. We are definitely going to come back here and we're going to do some riding. Stand up. I kind of want to go back there to that trail. It's a really pretty trail. Yeah, I want to turn around and go back to that trail. See where that thing goes. Do a little turn right here. Look at it out here. This trail's up that way. I wonder if we should go up there. Oh, that looks like that's someone's field. I really don't want to go into someone's field. But yeah, you could go right up in that. Standing up again. We can get a little bit better of a riding experience here. It's always nice to stand up when you're out in this stuff. I mean, it allows your rear end to do what it wants to do. This feels all the way around better. There's a trail up here, and I really don't know where it goes, but we're going to do it. Ready? Here we go. Ah, it ends. Should have figured it ended, but... Oh yeah. I mean, it doesn't end, but I don't know where that goes. I don't want to put that into some farmer's field and get mad. Ooh yeah. Oh, big drop here. I'm gonna stand up again. That was cool. This is loose right here, folks. You just surf around on this stuff. I mean, that trail would have kept going. We could have rode that. I don't know what that is. Let me go back there. Go check that out. This might be a bad idea. That's why we're doing it. That's loose. What's up? Wow. That's about a 3-foot drop right back there. That's a dead drop off right there. We don't want to do that. It's like 5 foot straight down. That could be bad. Alright. Ready for this? Ooh, yeah. I don't want to stand up, but it's a little treacherous in some of these areas. Let's do it. Stand up. Let's go for it, baby. Oh, yeah. You just commit. It's always a lot easier than just kind of being like, what am I going to get into? Committing's always better. It's over there. You go through the water. It's kind of deeper in there. Once I figure this out and I come back, that's when it's going to get real fun. Y'all get to see some content. Let's see what we got up here. That's creeks. Both ways. I don't know how we're going to get back up if we go that way. We can go this way. See what we run into. That is quite the ride right there. I guess I could just stand up and gas it. See what happens. Oh, wow. Guys, my tires are sinking in about a foot. I'm not joking. This is okay. That's a little better. That back there, man, that just filled my shoe up. I think we got sticks all over. Yep, we got sticks stuck in everything. Shoes are full. Still bust. Look that other way. We're gonna have a blast going back down there. This is just. Oh, I just sunk. Oh, front tires in. Let's do it. Burning out everywhere right now, friend. You can see my trail. Just gotta commit, man. Go through this stuff. Oh wow. I gotta get all this out of my shoe. Full of sand. Get it out real quick. Ugh. Yeah. A little bit of comforter. Comfortable. See, we got the Shinko. Got the big old knobby on the back there. And then we got our front. And that over there, that's a creek area. Posted, no trespassing. Now that's into that field. It's not into that creek. There's nothing posted where we went. What if we could camp down here? That's what I'm thinking about. Oh, glad we didn't go through that. That just ends up into nothing. It comes right back around. Well, I mean, come back around through some water. As deep as that fine gravel and sand is, I bet when we hit that water, we ain't coming back out of that. I mean, we will. Just be a little bit of a journey. All right. Let's see what's up here. So here, it divides out into that road's the one that we came down. I don't know where that goes. Let's go find that one. Let's go see what happens. That's a creek bed. Yeah, that's definitely a creek bed. Just so you guys can get an idea. Look at that trench. That's just from what the water was coming through. That's how soft it is. It just eroded all that and made its path. We pull up into that, our front will sink at least 8 inches into the tire. Okay, this is just another road that comes up. We don't care about that. We don't care about that. I really am tempted to go down that creek. I just know how soft that is. If we bury this, we're going to have to get off and just kind of push it and walk it. Because it's soft. Let's go for it. Oh, it's soft. We got to go through that ditch. You all just seen? No guarantees, boy. Commit. Ready? Yeah. Committed. It's up here. You never want to stare at something unless that's the path that you're wanting to take. Once you start staring at something, That's where you go. So it gets kind of sketchy. You get to staring. Ooh, we're surfing. Hitting our skid plate there. Alright. So that's the road up there. But I don't know. That is soft sand right there, folks. That's the road. But I don't know if there's like a fence. I didn't check that part. I don't think there is. Definitely don't want to hit a fence. I'll stop you right in your track. Don't care what you're on. We're going to have to, Pete, let's stand up. Give it a little love. Big old rocks. Ooh. What's that? Think we can do it? Probably doesn't look that bad on camera. We got this? No one. Oh, yeah. Definitely using that skid plate. That right there, right in front of me, that's a good 5-foot drop. Right there. Yeah. We just climbed over there, probably 4 feet that we shot up on. Guys, we got to come back here. This is awesome. This is what it's about, riding to the dirt road ends. This dirt road ended. That's where it right up into a creek. Kind of want to look around a little bit more. See how far we can ride that creek bed down before we run into a problem. That's a problem. That's a tree. That's a problem. You ain't getting past that. It's got a chainsaw. I had a feeling we should have pulled off. Gut. You gotta listen to your gut. Your gut. It's a good thing. Hey, we can drop back off in here, though. Do we have a way in? Let's look at it up here first. Well, that's a drop. So it goes down, and then you see it, and then just like whoop, ends. And all y'all can see is just like creek gravel again. Yeah, it's a pretty good drop. That we could ride that out. Ride that for a minute. All right, folks. That was riding to where the dirt road ends. Got to experience a little bit of fun there, for sure. Place that we're going to come back to. I'd like to camp there. I'm standing up right now. Oh, about got my head taken off by a tree limb. I don't know if y'all seen that. That was real. We lost cell phone service. It didn't even dawn on me until right now. My music just kicked on. Yeah, we were down there. We weren't getting any service down there. All right, well, like I said, we didn't have too much time to explore this round, but I didn't want to leave you all hanging. I wanted to post something for you, so that's why I just decided just to do this short run, jump on the old trusty handy dandy KLR and take off and adventure to where literally the dirt road ends. All right, folks, I'll see you guys later. Please like and subscribe. More content will be coming. We're going to go back to that place. And that's just a small portion of what it is that we're going to do. But I wouldn't mind going back there and see if it's possible we can pitch a tent, have a little fire, and just ride that creek because it goes further down. You know, we didn't go all the way down, so we don't have too much time to do so right now. It's going on 4 o'clock, and you know, I got a 45-minute drive just to get back to the house. I want to barbecue out with my wife, you know, with my kids. You know, that's where it's at, guys. Family. You know, family's there. Family's real. So that's love on them. Happy wife. Happy life, gentlemen. And peace out. I'll see you guys here in another video. Hopefully, where the dirt road ends. Alright, guys. Hope you all had a really good time. I know I did for the short little bit of time that I was able to give you today. Went ahead and hit the GPS for home. I got 1 hour before I get there. So I might end up hitting some. I seen some creeks on the way here that I really wanted to just drop off the road and go into. So I might do that. And if I do, I will include you. I'll go ahead and put the video back on and we'll resume and see what we can find. But I appreciate you all literally riding with me to the dirt road's end. And I'll see you later.